In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0x80070570 in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. How you can do that, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and find for settings. Now, click on it. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed to the left pane, find for an option called system and click on that one. And here at the system settings, you need to scroll down and proceed to troubleshoot. Afterwards, you'll see this three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters and you need to run the troubleshoot corresponding to Windows Update. So it will take some time, maybe 3 minutes or less than that. But all you need to do is you need to wait until the procedure would be done. And once it is being done, restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, you need to proceed to the second solution. Okay? The second solution would be you need to do system scanning. How you can do that here at the button search bar or the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you'd be able to see a best match, which is a command prompt system, where here you need to go with run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So here, in order to run for system scanning, just type for sfc space forward slash scan now, or you can simply paste it here because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. So copy and paste it here and click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until it would be done. Okay. So this process might take some time, but please be patient. Okay. It might take 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your computer, but please be patient and wait until it would be done. Once you are done, okay, you need to restart your computer. And again, don't close this window unless you are done. Okay. So you need to restart your computer once you are done. And the moment you have relaunched your Windows again, you need to navigate to the third solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? So the last solution that you need to do is you need to copy and paste the link that I have given at the description box below. Make a right click and click on paste and you will be navigated here at the Microsoft Update Catalog where you can manually update your Windows. So by that, you need to navigate here at the search bar at the right side. Okay, and please type for the last three digits or the last number for update. Okay, so let's say for example, the last number is 567. So just have to click on search here. And the moment you do it, you'd be able to see a list of results. Okay, wait for that. And once you have seen the result of your last number of the update, you just have to find the relevant one, then download it here, and then run it in your PC or machine. Okay? So hopefully these steps that help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.